Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Excel open and the file loaded. Now select the column header or row number you want to resize. Once selected, right-click and choose row height or column width, or go to Home right arrow format for the same options. You're starting with a clear target, so make sure hidden rows or filters aren't selected. If you need multiple columns, click and drag across headers first. This gets you directly into the tools that control cell box size. Now choose precision or convenience. Type a numeric value into column width or row height to set exact cell dimensions, which is ideal for consistent layouts. If you want Excel to size to the content, double-click the column or row boundary to auto-fit. This adapts to the longest cell entry. For pixel-like control, hold Alt while dragging the boundary to snap to the grid. Remember, merged cells and wrap text can block auto-fit, so handle those cells manually. Finish by applying the chosen size to any additional columns or rows. Select them first, then enter the width/height to replicate settings. Once done, switch to page layout or print preview to confirm how boxes print and adjust margins if needed. Save your workbook to preserve the layout. If sizes won't change, make sure wrap text is off, check for merged cells, and reset zoom to 100%. Often hidden formatting or filters prevent visible change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.